from your riches. Let's find him, get out of here and become rich. I've suffered so long with you. I've fed you with my parents' food. Only God knows for how long.
Oh, for it to the man.
Soldier. So in the army, how is this movement called?
Oh, the Kwalam Ghanamusic. I've gone recruitment like 4 times. But them didn't say I forgot peacekeeping for Syria. Shit, I can imagine me. I'm going to bed. And that's why I run. And me, I don't want to die. You don't laugh? You know, be joking.
Hey! We are here in serious crisis. And you people are here cracking jokes and laughing.
Go ask for CNN. Those who they see here, where bomb they break them ahead. Every day they see.
Listen. That way. Move!
If you kill me, I will die. Don't kill me, please. Please. I will die. Please don't kill me. I'm out of my mind. Sorry. I'm out of my mind, okay? Forgive me. Let my blood.
So you are here standing akimbo when you are supposed to lead us out of the forest.
Scorpion.
Why not talking to you, boy?
Scorpion, why do you think I brought up the idea of coming to this forest? You think it's just for fun? Scorpion, we have suffered a lot. And all that I want is to cut it all so that we can rest. Because they say there's more rest after death.
And who told you I wanted to die? I was well okay with the life I was living out there. And besides, I never told you that I wanted to die.
But you couldn't say it. You are not brave, Scorpion. You are a coward. You are a coward.
called me, Scorpion Coward.
Scorpion! Scorpion!
Relax. Let me help you.
Darius!
Absolutely. To ease the feeling. Sorry.
Leave me alone. Go and find Darius. What's in the case?
Darius!
Yes, you better find him.
Darius!
Be able to succumb to any more pauper of a guy after leaving this forest.
Where is this? Darius. Oh. Why Darius, not me? Darius. I'll never forgive them.
Wow. We are back to our base. Are you going back?
Guys! No! We don't have to waste time. You know it. We have to follow the path. Where's Manu was taking us?
Okay, let's move.